Oh, hey, I didn't see you there, sorry. Just exploring a little bit of information here. Technicians have to do that and look up information all the time. But did you know right now there are over 600,000 techs needed in the industry? Almost 56,000 of those are in dealerships alone. So why is there a tech shortage? There's a lot of factors that go into that question. Baby boomers are aging and starting to get out of the industry, and unfortunately, they were the last group of techs that really said okay to the skilled workforce. But our friends at Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper celebrate technicians and their impact on keeping our country moving. And I had the opportunity to join them for their awards ceremony in Detroit with the Alliance Parts Group for Technician of the Year. So let's see what they had in store for the finalists. Hello, here we are in Southfield, Michigan, a subdivision of Detroit, the Motor City, for a very exciting event. The Alliance Auto Value Bumper to Bumper Group is here with a whole group of their top technicians for a competition to see who will be the best. These are some of the changes in the automotive aftermarket that we've talked about. Distribution has to support that ever important technician training segment. So stay tuned, and as a matter of fact, let's go, because here they are right now.
May I take everybody's cell phones, please? I promise.
Fall for that.
I won't look at them.
Turn them off, password protected.
Thank you.
Yeah, so what's going to happen is as you guys finish your written test.
So this year's test, we have the written examination, we got the quick strut, and then we got some electrical boards back in the room that they'll be working over as well. We've got an event, Scott, unlike any other in the industry. This is our Technician of the Year with Auto Value Bumper to Bumper, where we have brought 16 technicians from around North America, all battling it out to determine our Technician of the Year.
When did you start this training initiative?
We started this in 2018 because we wanted to make an initiative that really focused on training the technician. We need to make a more concentrated effort in this industry collectively to highlight and hype technicians. We need more young women and young men to look at tradescraft as a career path. So how could we enhance and entice shop owners and techs to really become more involved in training? Well, let's give them the carrot. And the carrot was, let's put together an unbelievable event in Detroit to highlight the Technician of the Year.
Since 1927, AP Emissions has been your source for complete exhaust innovation. We're your one-stop shop for the exhaust brands you know and the quality you trust. Visit apemissions.com.
You can feel confident Continental is the smart choice in tires.
Can they handle extremes?
Anything for the guy who finds that one pothole.
Were they made by like a bajillion engineers?
Yeah.
Really?
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 Really. Welcome to the smart choice in tires.
We are MPA, Motor Car Parts of America, a global manufacturer of light and heavy-duty rotating electric, brake parts, wheel hubs and bearings, turbochargers, and electrical component testing. MPA, the global leader for parts and solutions.
Today's technicians look to the aftermarket for quality parts so they can turn their bays and get their customers back on the road. BCA Bearings by NTN provides OE quality wheel hubs, bearings, and seals to ensure that when customers come back, they come back for the great service.
Information is power, and powerful repair information makes your technicians more efficient and your shop more profitable. Introducing Mitchell 1, the most trusted source for auto repair information, shop management, and marketing solutions. Mitchell 1, powering shop success with complete information. That's our mission.
After the finalists completed their testing, we made our way over to the M1 Concourse to celebrate and do some racing. While at the track, I had the opportunity to talk with some of our hosts and to get some of their insights on the industry and on the event itself. Kevin, this is an unbelievable facility. Thanks for hosting us. Tell us a little bit about this event, your involvement, and this great group of technicians.
Well, I've got to tell you, what a great event. You've experienced it. We've got Follow the Leader on a long track. They get to do a time course on the other side. And then late today, they get to do ride-alongs on this long track with a professional driver going, 115, 120 miles an hour. Hold on. It's a blast. We're really proud to be host. We started doing this probably 5 or 6 years ago. Number one thing that the technicians, the shop owners tell us they need is more training. And so we've got the assets. We think it's so important.
It absolutely is. Well, I certainly hope we don't break anything out here today, but if we do, we've got the 26 right guys to fix it.
We'd get it right quick, wouldn't we?
That's right. Kendall, I understand that you are intimately involved with the CSE program, which is all part of these technicians. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, Scott. So our CSE program is the Certified Service Center. It's our banner shop program. A lot of our top shops as part of our network are a part of it. All of our Technician of the Year finalists come from a Certified Service Center shop, and it's a tool, benefit, improving efficiency, fostering that partnership, and really just making sure their bays are as efficient and keeping the cars of North America safe and reliable.
This is not my first rodeo here. I've been fortunate enough to serve on the Auto Value Bumper to Bumper CSC Service Center Council. If you're a CSC, take advantage of those programs. Take advantage of the things that these fine men and women are working on to put in the hands of your service advisor. When the pedal hits the metal, when you're trying to sell that job and you're trying to translate value, well, it isn't going to be in the price. If you're only comparing prices, you've got to have some context. Well, context is the program that Auto Value Bumper to Bumper builds, that the Alliance builds into our CSC program. I never lose the appreciation for what you guys do, what AutoWares does, what Auto Value Bumper to Bumper, the Alliance, what Drive does, what Babcox does. It's a great effort that comes together and that celebrates the folks that have to service the most complicated consumer product that man has ever created.
This group of people that we are paying attention to today are so important to the entire industry, and you have really helped us see how much you do to support those technicians from Drive.
It's very important to us. I mean, these technicians need to buy quality parts. We need to train these technicians, and that's what we do here. We make sure that our technicians are trained by the best.
I think that the recognition is the best part. These people are going to remember this forever. They're going to go back. They're going to tell their co-technicians, people who would be possibly technicians, and get them interested in this industry because we so need technicians.
And that's what this is about, because hopefully people could see what we do and they get excited and they want to get in this industry. You know, if we don't have technicians fixing our cars, we're not going to work every day. We're not taking the kids to school, not going to soccer games and ball games. It's very important. The automotive industry drives the economy.
Tony, thank you so much for hosting us here. I'll speak on behalf of the technicians. I know they love being here, and we certainly appreciate your participation. Thanks so much.
I appreciate that, and thank you very much for joining us today.
Aftermarket Armor introduces a bed liner that has a 4-hour pot life, which is twice as long as the competition, giving you the needed time to complete the job. A proprietary formulated product giving you the best UV resistance, protecting your vehicle from sun fade for years to come. Find out more at aftermarketarmor.com. Buckle up, AAPEX attendees. Looking for OE performance in your automotive aftermarket parts? Continental delivers. Our aftermarket products match OE standards, ensuring technicians can install them with confidence. Continental, we know OE because we are OE.
Introducing Nexamotion Group, a family born to unite the most innovative businesses and brands in the automotive aftermarket. Here at NMG, we're not just changing the game, we're revolutionizing it by bringing together TranStar Industries and top auto care experts. We're committed to delivering everything you need for aftermarket success, from top-notch parts distribution to a cutting-edge e-commerce platform. Moving forward, with the Nexamotion Group, where cutting-edge innovation unites with exceptional service and quality products.
Looking for a refreshing change? Say goodbye to sluggish performance and reach for the one that won't slow you down. Experience the force of clean, pure oil. Wix Premium Filters. Performance starts here.
My wife gets upset with me with the stuff I buy. She says that every time I take a quote home. Can't you buy anything cheaper? She goes. I go, yeah, I sure could. I said, but I'm not. It's either getting Hunter or I'm not getting one.
Leading is about more than just having advanced technology. It's about understanding and fulfilling our customers' needs at every step of the journey. We take pride in being more than just a supplier. We are your partners in progress.
So it is our intent now tonight to do something a little different than we've ever done in the Technician of the Year program. We want to take off some of the stress tomorrow. So tonight, right now, we're going to announce the winner of the Technician of the Year. All right? That's it. So let's do, yeah. Some people are thrilled, some not so thrilled. That's okay. This class, the class 2024 Technician of the Year, you guys are fantastic. Out of 3,700 shops throughout North America, it is you that are here. That is a winning achievement in and among itself. So congratulations again to all of you for being here. We're going to start with your Canadian Technician of the Year winner. So this is tough because you got 3 guys from Canada, all great guys so far. Some of them slower on the racetrack than others. I think they didn't understand the conversion of kilometers to miles per hour. But this year's Auto Value Technician of the Year from Canada is Jake Firth. Jake, way to go. Come on up. And here's your hardware. We give you a rock. You're welcome. Congratulations. We'll get more photos. Way to go. Way to go. Way to go, young man. Thanks for being here. And representing Auto Value in Bumper to Bumper, this year's Technician of the Year winner is Avery Brenneman. Congratulations. And on his scoring, you were outright winner on the ASC, right? I mean, so you were outright pretty much across the board. So congratulations. And I think we have a rock for you. Okay. Congrats again one more time. All right. Give that to you as well. All right. So, hey, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to be here, for being away from your families, from the shop, from your businesses. We do appreciate you all. This event is all about you, all of you. Back in your shops, you are the representatives for all of us at Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, and you represent everything that's great about the technician trade, about working in a shop, and about keeping North America moving. One of the greatest freedoms we have is the ability to move about North America, especially the United States. We go anywhere. We don't have to show papers. We go anywhere in this country. We go anywhere in Canada, whenever we want, in our own vehicle, with our own freedoms. That is a freedom. That is the pursuit of happiness that we have, and you provide that. And again, we said it last night, the right to repair a vehicle, but more importantly, the right of the consumer to come to your shop, and they can't do it without men and women like you. So thank you, all of you, for what you do. All right, are we good? We are good, everybody. Way to go.
To cap off this great event, the Bumper to Bumper folks brought the finalists and guests out to Comerica Park to enjoy a Tigers ball game and have one last night of celebration.